Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I have an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. And I want to play with my paint that I just put on my canvas for a minute. And then I want to spread it in a nice even layer. This is Meeden black paint. If I were using a white canvas, I wouldn't worry if I was just using one layer, because I'm pretty good with a spatula. I don't know if anybody else is as good as I am. I got a lot of practice. Somebody probably is. But I am going to put down some colors and use my cell activator that is made of Australian Floetrol, Amsterdam black oxide, the paint pouring recipe, the cell activator recipe. The cell activator recipe is underneath the video. I've already primed my edges. I want to let you guys know to look for the link tree underneath the video. The first blue link has all my other links on it, including the PayPal Patreon link. And if you are one of the contributors to help keep the studio rolling, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and the monthly drawing prizes can be seen at the beginning of the exhibition video, and the exhibition video is included on every video at the end of that video in the last 20 seconds. That is a nice smooth layer of paint. I want to grab, I guess I'm gonna go and do a zigzag, because I've been thinking zigzag. I'm going to do some neon, Artist Loft Neon Violet. Some Electric Blue from Arteza. I want there to be an uneven quality to, and where did that come from? And what is it? It looks like dried Floetrol or something. Anyway, so I'm going to use all my favorite colors. That's the bottom line. This is my Purple Flash from Folk Art. It's very, very similar to the Neon Violet. And I can't help that. That's okay with me that I have a double dose. This is the Amethyst from Artist Loft. They look like Celtic knots right about now. That's pretty cool. I should do painting like that for the fun of it. So here is some Venetian blue. This part is fun. It occurs to me that I need a rather large card, or to decide to use a spatula, which is probably going to happen. Although I do have another spatula. I could do something with that. I'd like to use a copious amount of the cell activator. Okay, I'm looking for the Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold, which probably should be silver. And I'm not going to put absolutely everywhere. Although I should, because it's really one of the most fabulous golds out there, bar none. Gold is good, but Deco Art Americana gold kicks some. Alright, so I'm going to make this easy on myself, because I've got paint to use up. I've got cell activator paint, and it's not moving. There we go. It's moving now. Alright, I want to go this way and scrape. I thought I got myself a scrape dish, but evidently not. It's okay, I've got another one. I'm going to go from the other direction as soon as I get all of the rest of this paint out of my little dish. That was a little clumsy. I'm not likely to want to give that paint up either. Went right over. So let's grab some more of the Aussie Floetrol. I'm trying to put enough of this in so I really see an effect. That really wasn't what I had in mind at all. And I'm really thinking that I should be using a card. But I don't give up easily, and this is just the way I'm starting. I'm going to switch to the white, Amsterdam white, with the Aussie Floetrol. And dribble! Clever girl. Let's use some of our paint. And add a little bit of what I just realized I didn't put in there. But it's okay, because I can always put it in after. And anything else that I'm inclined to, which is making me think that if I grabbed my cobalt blue from our artist loft, that I would be happy. I'm going to scrape off the rest of that paint, which comes off quite nicely. I really want some other, I want a hotter color. Thinking I was going to be able to have a little bit of negative space left, but I'm not sure about that anymore. There, I like that. Just going to use whatever's dripping down over the edge to cover the edge. I like the idea of some white in there, and if I do that with the black, that could work. I'm kind of hoping. I blow on it to help spread the paint out. There, yes. Hey, it worked. That's cool. I like it when a plan comes together. Just using my card to run through. I have an opportunity, I see, to add more of something that I like, and I think the thing that I like is the electric blue and the cobalt blue. Maybe some gold too. I think so. Let's go all in. There's some amethyst. I still need to deal with this. I'm not sure what's going on with that, except for I want to steal some of it. There, I'm not minding that. This is kind of cool. This is not what I was expecting to do, but that's okay. I can do what I was expecting to do another time. I think to do what I was expecting to do, I should have laid my colors down the center. Well, I'm liking this neon pink, but I'd like to spread it out a little bit, as opposed to making it go away, which I don't want to do entirely. Looks like a waveform to me, or water. Looks like I have enough paint to do a small piece. I think I'm going to keep that negative space. I think I'm also going to grab some lighter blue. And use it. Scrape off my spatula one more time. Blow my cell activator to the edge. Use the rest. Cool. Love my spatula and my turntable. So I'm wondering about this over here. Thinking I have some other paint and I might want to use it. I don't mind what's there, although I think I wouldn't mind a little more contrast too. So scrape off that. Yeah, I'm kind of okay with all this. And adding a few lines, that's pretty neat. I'm kind of contemplating just adding some of the color that I like. Like right along the edges some places. Without worrying about getting any cells. I kind of like that effect. Just gently integrate a few of those marks. Because it'll make me happy, maybe, I hope. I'm thinking the amethyst right there where it already is. Why not? I like it. Considering some gold. Yep, liking it just as much as I was. I have one little blob down here I don't want to keep. There we go. If you do this, you can always mix other colors in. So what else am I missing? What would I like? Something really obnoxious. Let's do it. Kind of like that. I think that goes really well. It makes the eye move back and forth. Just drag a skewer through. It occurs to me I can also add white if I want. And I'm thinking that it might be really very dramatic to do so. Do I love it? I'm not sure yet. Could be a tomorrow thing. That happens quite frequently. Sometimes you just need to let things be for a little bit. Alright, I'm going to use a little bit of Venetian blue. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which is why I can leave my paint heavy if I like to. I'm a little concerned about, where's my hot orchid? Yeah, I like that. I do. So I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you, and hopefully I can finish also. And I told you a bunch of stuff at the beginning. I like that color enough to want to add enough to add more. And at some point I think I'll know when I'm done. Let's cross our fingers and toes, shall we? Like I said, I don't need to keep the colors pure. I can definitely integrate some other colors with anything that I put down there. Spread them out. That's nice. I think I'm pretty close to being where I want to be, with the exception of yeah, I'm totally smitten with the cobalt blue metallic. From Artist Loft. Makes me happy. Alright, so I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I'm really interested in finding a little bit of magenta. Don't ask me why. I was cold. Try not to dump it over twice. No, that's a different bottle. Alright, so the only thing that's bothering me is down here. I think I need you to ask you guys to give me a thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind, I'd really appreciate that. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that help keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate that too. I'm looking for one last mark that makes me feel like I have balance in my composition. And I'm not sure I have it yet. And I'm not going to do part 2. But sometimes when I think I don't have balance and I look at it the next day and the colors have darkened, that was it. That was good. I think one more over here. Or 2. It's definitely water. Currants. Okay. That's the only thing bugging me. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Sorry I missed you.